Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student, open your book at page number 34, subject science. In our previous lecture, we discussed this chapter, animal habitat and adaptation. Now today, we discuss some topic of this chapter, adaptation for breathing. Adaptation for breathing. All living things breathe. All living things breathe. Different animals have different breathing organs that help them to take in oxygen from air and water. Living beings or living things need air to breathe, and each and every living things breathe. These are some organs by which they breathe. We discuss them one by one. First is nose and lungs. Animals such as sheep and tiger live on land. They have nose and lungs that help in breathing. Most of the animals use nose and lungs for breathing. For example, sheep and tiger live on land and they use nose and lungs for breathing. Okay. Second is gills. Fish have special organ called gills for breathing in water. Fishes that live in water, they have a special organ named as gills for breathing. Now third is skin. Animals such as frog and earthworms breathe through their moist skin. Frog has lungs too, which help it to breathe when on land. Animals such as frogs and earthworms, they breathe through their moist skin. Frog also breathe through lungs when on land. Okay, because frog live both on land and in water. Hence, frog breathe through lungs as well as through moist skin. Now, fourth is spiracles. What is spiracles? Spiracles is tiny holes. Insects such as cockroach and grasshopper breathe through tiny holes present along the sides of their body. These tiny holes are known as spiracles. Insects like cockroach and grasshopper, they breathe through tiny holes. That tiny holes are spiracles. Okay. Now, our second topic is adaptation of body covering. Adaptation of body covering. Different animals have different body covering. Okay, all the animals have body covering, and different animals have different body covering. And animals' body covering help it to live in its habitat. This body covering help us to live in its habitat. It helps them to adapt to different conditions. This body covering help them to adopt to different conditions. For example, scales. Bodies of fish, snakes, crocodile and some lizard are covered with scales to prevent water from entering their body. Bodies of fish, snakes, crocodile, they have scale on their body. Which help them to prevent water from entering their body. Okay. Now shells. Bodies of snail, tortoise and turtle are covered with shells to protect their soft and delicate bodies. Body like snail. Here is snail, tortoise and turtle. They have covered with a shell. This hard shell. And this hard shell protect them, their body, their soft and delicate body. Protect them. Okay. Now another is feathers. Bodies of birds are covered with feathers that help them to fly. Bodies of birds are covered with feathers and that feathers help them to fly. Okay. Feathers also help to keep them warm, and this feather also help them to keep warm. Now hair and fur. Sheep and bear have hair and fur on their body to keep themselves warm. Sheep and bear, they have hair and fur on their body, and this hair and fur keep them warm. Okay. That's it. I hope everybody can understand it very well. Now inshallah we will continue this chapter in our next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.